Don't worry. We are trying to introduce you to a community of people equally bad in English.
Yes,
Like me.
thank you. I
Because
my list is not good, but in addition, you talk very fastly. You talk too fast, so I can't keep up with what you are saying.
okay.
So so maybe I think that I can
Yes.
I
No,
can do what you want me to do. So maybe I have to leave this group.
no,
So
no.
sorry.
No. You are in. You are the first person who joined this group. You are the person I called the day before and asked you to come. You are the person yesterday I insulted by not connecting you. Unfortunately, there were not facilities there. It was not my mistake.
Please, please, slowly, please.
Okay. Here is Mr. Matthew Cora, a retired principal of a very reputed college. He too is with me to help you. But in the beginning, you must form a group of friendly atmosphere. So today, after the session, Minnie can make friends with Sajini and have a heart-to-heart chat. Sajini will introduce you to her husband, father, mother, brother, whoever is there. You can introduce your father, mother, daughter, sister, students, neighbors, anyone to Sajini. Make friends. This is about international friendship and global brotherhood.
It's better now.
Yes, once that happens, you can celebrate your new year next week or whenever it is, and you will have hundreds of people watching your performance, the performance of your students, the performance of the students of your school, arranged by Sajini. Sajini and friends and families will be watching the dine or dance program of your new year. So we will learn more about your culture, your family network, how you interact with each other, how you interact with people all over the world, so that Sajini and Co. and Minnie and Co. both parties will become globally connected friends. Number one, once friendship happens, trust comes up. Once trust is built, anything can be done on it. I am here with Professor Kora, because Matthew Kora, because he is going to start an online school. This room will be set up as our school. Just the camera, computer, and technology infrastructure means any of the top educators will come here and give his lesson for an hour to the whole world, whoever pays, and that money could be aggregated and shared by all the people who are playing in the team.
Mm.
Because world cannot afford to have more teachers. Even if India was to start one college a day, the number of students who wants to get admission to a college will be still more. And the resources for setting up colleges are not there in our country. And the only resource we can make use of is technology. Because with technology, this single teacher, Mr. Kora, Mr. Matthew Kora, what do you call it?
Matthew Kora.
Mr. Matthew, he was teaching, say, 40 to 50 students by being on stage at his college. Now, he can do the same thing from his home, from a room set up as a classroom, and he can teach 40,000 students in one go, or 4 million. Follow? And if you make a setup where each person pays 1 rupee, he will learn 4 million. Naturally, I will also have a share of the pie. You will also have a share, because when you get to that kind of level, or at least from your level, you can teach those who are less than you in the knowledge level. I told you, everybody knows more than anybody, but everybody is an expert in something. So if you can sell your expertise online, let it be dancing, singing, cooking, making ornaments, or even getting your students in classroom to play and perform. If you can broadcast that for a fee, you get paid, meaning. So once we form into a group, I'll get Sajini to get maybe hundreds people to watch the Vietnamese schoolgirls and schoolboys dance, and we will collect, say, 5 rupees per person, means it's going to be 500 rupees. And if you send it to you, you can buy sweets for those children. Then business will evolve. All we have to do is connect first, make friends, speak to each other, get closer, but not too close. Okay, close enough to give and take in a decent, civilized manner. Then we can do business. It could be teaching, it could be dancing, it could be dining, it could be working as a tourism ambassador. A few months afterwards, we are going to visit Vietnam, because I am also arranging cultural exchange. I am working for Kerala government as a tourism ambassador. So many could visit Sajini's place, stay at her home, move around and teach Vietnamese to some of our students and go back with your salary that you collected for teaching Vietnamese to Kerala children. Won't that be fun?
Very interesting.
So I will let Mr. Matthew, my friend, introduce him to you. Over to you, sir.
You know, Mini and Sajini, I am a new person, even though I am a senior person by age and by professional experience. As Mr. Sebastian told, I am a chemistry professor. I am doing chemistry teaching to A level and O level according to the British system. So now, since Mr. Sebastian gave me this opportunity, I can do one thing for you, that I can give chemistry lessons to your students. And all the technical advice, Mr. Sebastian is from Cochin, Kerala, and I am also from Cochin, and we are going to have a separate studio, everything equipped in this room, so that we will be having a very equipped classroom, so that we will be in touch with. So this is the first introduction, so that you can be happy. And according to me, Mr. Sebastian, what he said is very precious, because this is how we have to connect with the world. Even though my age is 65 plus, but you look to be very smart. Also, she is also very smart, Sajini. So young people enjoy and work and earn more. So all best wish for today. So now Mr. Sebastian will start talking. Can you understand? Can you hear? Good.
Sorry, bad connection. I can't hear.
Okay. Don't worry about your English. Your English is enough for you to be smart. So always keep positive energy. Don't feel sorry. Okay.
Okay, today's session is off. Now we can interconnect later on. at least many can contact Sajini and start speaking with her. Slowly we become friends. Let us see how we can design an opportunity in a win-win-win manner. Thank you for having me. Have a good day. Bye for now.